Despite the current headwinds in the Indian auto sector, it is a great time to be an SUV enthusiast with models launching across the segments. Before starting the video, make sure that you have smashed that red subscribe button and give it a big thumbs up, and don't forget to follow us on Instagram at AutoNextPro. बड़ा है तो बेहतर है is a common phrase and used by most families, and this holds true even for vehicles, evident by the growing popularity of compact SUVs, mid-sized SUVs and full-size SUVs over the years. And talking about SUVs, MG Motor India is all set to launch its flagship SUV in the market, the Gloster. The Gloster is MG Motors' fourth vehicle offering in India after Hector, ZS EV and Hector Plus. The Gloster is big, bold, has solid presence and occupies a lot of road presence too. Let's talk about the design first. In terms of size, the MG Gloster sure does impress because it is huge. It is bigger than the both Toyota Fortuner and Ford Endeavour, and it is even taller than the BMW X7. The Gloster gets adaptive LED headlamps with projector setup for the both low beam and high beam, and LED DRLs which also turns into indicator as well. Underneath you will get fog lamp which are normal bulb. You will also get cornering lamps in the fog lamp. The bold look is characterized by the big 3-slat octagonal grille up front, having a chrome surround, and it is somehow looks like the dull aluminum finish to it. The design looks imposing, some might find it stylish, some might not, but it does have incredible road presence. MG has gone the whole day with badging on the vehicle. The tailgate gets ADAS badging, internet inside and Gloster badging. The SUV gets quad exhaust pipes, but look properly, you will see that there is only one real pipe on each side. Viewed in profile, you see a chrome strip on the window line along with the Brit dynamic badging. The alloy wheels are well designed. The Gloster gets a 19-inch wheels and the tire size happens to be 255/55 R19. You will notice the design of the dashboard seems inspired by certain German company making SUVs. I mean the shape of the dashboard, the rotary knob, the AC vents, the controls for climate control and even the touchscreen gives you a very BMW-like vibe. There is generous amount of leather used on the inside, and while the controls fall within easy reach, the steering wheel gets tilt and telescopic adjustment, and it has a ton of buttons for music controls, call functions and cruise controls. Instrument cluster gets an analog speedometer and analog tachometer. There is a large screen between the meters showing lots of information. The MID also displays the data related to the driver assistance systems, and there are digital readouts for the fuel gauge and engine temperature. Dashboard gets a clean design, and the headliner is 12.3-inch touchscreen panel, which obviously gets Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, 360-degree parking camera and so on. The driver seat gets 12-way electrically adjustable with ventilation, heating function and even massage function as well. Meanwhile, the co-passenger gets an 8-way electric adjustment, but sadly it gets only heating function, while the massage and ventilation functions are missing. Other features on MG Gloster are the 3-zone climate control, air purifier, wireless charging, tire pressure monitoring system, a big panoramic sunroof and a segment-fast 64-color ambient lighting, which is a cool feature to have it. Second row gets captain seats which are so comfortable. The headrests can be adjustable in so many ways. The captain seats can be reclined and slide back. The captain seats don't fold down completely, so ingress into the third row is quite a task. The third row seats are be well for short rides. There is enough space and headroom for medium-sized adults. The under-thigh support could be better. The boot carrying capacity is 343 liters with all the rows up, and it can be expanded up to massive 1350 liters with the third row folded down. The infotainment system comprises a 12.3-inch HD touchscreen, which is crisp to use and offers smooth UI. You can access the ADAS, means Advanced Driver Assistance System features through the infotainment system too. Apart from that, you can toggle through the different ambient lighting options. The infotainment system is paired to a 12 speakers including a subwoofer and amplifier. The Gloster also gets 360-degree cameras, which is very useful feature for a vehicle of this size. The Gloster gets a 2-liter twin-turbo diesel engine. The motor makes about 215 brake horsepower and 480 Nm of torque. There is an 8-speed automatic transmission. You can expect the fuel economy figures between 6 to 10 km per liter. The MG Gloster gets 4-wheel drive system with different driving modes like Eco, Auto, Sport, Mud, Sand, Snow and Rock. The ground clearance of 225 mm is very good, while the approach angle is 28 degrees, departure angle is 25 degrees and breakover angle is 20 degrees. The water weighting capacity of Gloster is 550 mm. This SUV is equipped with so many safety features like dual front side curtain airbags, ABS with EBD, brake assist, ESP, TCS, hill start assist, hill descent control, driver fatigue reminder and electronic parking brake with auto hold. The SUV also gets ADAS, which includes forward collision warning, automatic emergency braking, lane departure warning, blind spot detection and adaptive cruise control. The MG Gloster has a lot to offer. It is really big, feels solidly built, offers a lot of features and creature comfort options. Now MG says that the expected pricing could be between Rs 35 to 45 lakhs. While the Gloster will be a bit pricier SUV than its competitor, the difference in the price seems worth it because you get lots of additional features. So these are all about the MG Gloster. So how was the video, and if you have any questions, put it in the comment section. And wait, before you leave, press that red subscribe button, give it a big thumbs up and don't forget to follow us on Instagram at AutoNextPro.